Yeah, I'll be using these two examples to show what do we mean by simultaneous linear inequality. So previously in Sec 2, you all learned about simultaneous equation. So there's equation 1, equation 2. So after that, then there is a answer. There is a answer x and y. So right now we don't have x and y, but I do have inequality 1. I do have inequality 2. So your job is to do them separately. Do like the basic one separately. So by now, I'm assuming you will know how to do your basic. Okay, so usually my habit is I label the first inequality, the first inequality when I get the answer. Okay, so let's try. So there are two answers. You need to combine the two answers. So you need an additional layer. So you need to combine two answers. How are you going to combine? You make sure you got sufficient number line first. So I will always draw more than the required numbers. So I only need 3 and 5. I will just draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so okay, maybe I will just use, okay, for this one, I'm going to use black color. So it should be here. Then this one, I'm going to use red color. Don't be stingy with your number line. Try to make, make it longer. So the final answer is the region where you see two colors. Okay, where can you see two colors? Or where can you see the double number line? So can you see this is the blue part that you can see double line? So if you try to combine, the final answer is this. So that's how we get the final answer. So you actually need to know how to combine. But in the first place, your two inequality cannot be wrong. If your two inequality is wrong, no matter how you combine, it will eventually be wrong. Okay. So, okay, another kind, right, is where they are squeezed inside one inequality. So for such a question, you split them like this. The first half is one inequality. So the first half is actually, they are sharing. Then this will be the second half. So that will be the second half. Then you do them separately. Okay, so maybe I'll do this one first. So that will be my second inequality. Okay, so this one, right, if you look, the X is on the right side. So in case you're not feeling very comfortable, actually I prefer my X to be on the left side. So I'm going to reshuffle. So I make sure the big mouth is still facing the algebra. So I'm not flipping the sign. I'm just reshuffling. I'm just changing the position. I'm not reversing the sign. So the algebra is still looking at the big mouth. Okay, after that, then you just divide. So there are two answers that you actually need to combine. So make sure your number line is sufficient. So you got to combine 1 and 2. So I will do something like this, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 2.5 is here. That's the first inequality sign. The black one is here. Okay, so where is the combined answer? You see the double line. So that's the combined answer. So from the combined answer, your job is to find a whole number. So can you see in the double line, right? This is the whole number. This is the only whole number in the number line. So in order for you to do this correctly, your single inequality must be okay. Then you can proceed to the second one. Or else it actually get very confusing. Okay, so there's a lot of practice that you actually need to do on this part.